But radar's not picking up it up, of course.
No.
That's why I have my rain jacket. Just in case.
Yep.
This is late in the year for thunderstorms. We don't normally get these this time of year. Like, it does happen, but rarely.
Oh yeah, that was a big thing of lightning, hey?
Yeah. I was gonna say, the sky looks dark. You should get a lightning bolt out of it, right?
Yeah.
That wasn't even in the main precipitation part of the storm.
No.
Look at that gnarly cloud.
Yeah.
Typical Alberta weather, really fun. It came from over there, I think.
Yeah, it came from there, I think.
There is a bit of a thunderstorm here. But radar doesn't pick it up. Like, I'm not seeing anything.
No, well, you can tell it's raining pretty bad right there. Right.
Give me another strike, please. I got the camera going. Maybe it's my fault I'm talking about severe weather, right?
Maybe.
That was a big one. I wish I would have caught that.
Yeah, that was a huge bolt.
I was all the way up in Elnora on July 1st capturing storms.
Yeah.
And the lightning coming out of it, I must have got 50 quads of ground strikes.
Wow.
But first, to get there, we had to go through some hill, of course.
Yeah.
This is a pop-up, I think.
I think so,
A pop-up cell. Man, that's... For a pop-up, it's looking pretty gnarly.
Yeah, hey? I mean, we're headed into clear skies, but it'll probably move this way. Because we're going east, so yeah, it'll move west to east, most likely.
I'm getting some beautiful footage of the storm itself, though.
Yeah. Those clouds are really pretty, actually.
But you know when you see the bright white sheet, that's hill, right?
Yeah.
When I get out, I might have to stop and go to the bathroom if that's fine. It's just that drink.
Yeah, for sure. I'll stop at the area for you. Ooh, those are some fat raindrops.
Yeah. Come on, lightning bolts. I'm right over here trying to capture some lightning, and it's not. But of course, I've stopped the camera before, and
that's when the lightning comes.
Yeah. Bit of a fat rain shower here, but I checked the forecast yesterday. I told you there was a chance for thunderstorms. Man, that cloud up, like,
well, and it's right above us right now.
Look at how fast they're moving. Like, I know we're moving out of it, but
yeah, they're
Just let me take control. Man, that cloud looks gnarly.
Yeah. Here's some fat rain again.
Oh, you can see it coming down from the sky.
Yeah.
It almost feels like it could hail when you get raindrops.
Yeah.
When you get fat raindrops like that, I'm like, uh-oh, right?
Yeah.
Bit of a gusty wind too, feel it?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Man, I might get some great footage today
Yeah.
from going out. It can thunderstorm as much as well. It can wait till whatever time, right?
Yeah.
Man, storms can be dangerous, but they're also pretty beautiful.
Yeah, they are.
More thunderstorms. It's constantly thundering.
Yeah.
And these storms are popping up like crazy. Now it looks like it's not gonna do it again.
Huh.
You see? And there I go filming. I'm a storm chaser.
Yeah?
It's been constantly thundering. Like
Well, if
it's.
we get really bad, I'll throw you out there in your wheelchair, see how bad you can chase and see how fast you can go.
So this is a crazy dog.
You should birth it,
Someone,
Kieran, tell Brendan to put her in her jammies and bring her out.
someone's at the door, dog.
Yeah, hey? Daddy?
Scared?
You people?
Come up on you?
I think it's thundering too. So
Oh, it
yeah,
is.
big time.
As long as it doesn't, you know, hit us with any lightning,
Then we
we should be okay.
But I hear cells like near Indus. There's some hail cores going up now.
We might get hit here. If we do, inside,
Yeah.
because it could get nasty.
You know what we technically could do? We could move this and
At
have
least my car,
both.
the hood of my car.
I'm sad.
already
I'm
written.
sad. In high school, we never had really much of a
I know.
But you never had any classes with
No,
me.
I was a couple years older than you.
I'm capturing this awesome thunder.
Okay, I'm just gonna give you this.
Oh, Daddy, I get to do that? Nice. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Huh?
Okay.
I went to Globalvest a couple times this year.
Did you? How did you like
I
it?
got footage of the fireworks. It's up on my YouTube channel.
Oh, cool.
You guys should also go subscribe, boost my following.
What's the YouTube channel called?
Trains, buses, nature. Buses with 3 S's.
Got it.
Man, that's why I didn't want your dad to tell me who was, to tell you who was coming.
Yeah, no, he left it a surprise. That's awesome.
I just wouldn't get in the way sometimes so we could hang out.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's lightning.
Sorry, what's the name again?
trains, buses, nature.
Buses with 3
Train.
My dad and me, our van almost got struck by lightning a couple times.
No
when we-
way, really?
Yeah, and his van is totaled. We got
buses has 3 S's.
stuck in a bad hailstorm.
That's brutal.
Blew our back window completely out.
Well, that would have been scary.
I was scared shitless, let me
it's on my
tell
screen,
you.
so I can follow it.
Man, this thunder is awesome.
Right? I don't like thunder. I don't like windstorms. Thunder I can deal with now, but windstorms?
But you know, imagine if I took control of the weather.
Yeah. Would it be sunny all the time?
I would have golf balls coming down right now.
Ah, we would get hurt.
No, but I make sure you guys inside.
Before you made it come
The
down.
wind is holy,
Right?
gusting to at least probably 50 kilometers.
It's strong, yeah.
You're cold.
So what's up? How is life, Jana?
It's good. It's been busy. I haven't rested in a very long time.
Remember we were supposed to hang out in February, but then Karen got sick, right?
Yeah. And then I had the baby.
She's the most adorable little...
Aw.
Oh, there she is.
She's coming up.
There's the munchkin.
Wearing on her head. Let's run it. Alright.
And there I go filming. I'm a storm chaser.
Yeah?
It's been constantly thundering, like
Well, if
it's...
we get really bad, I'll throw you out there in your wheelchair, see how bad you can chase, and see how fast you can go.
So this is a crazy dog.
You should bark at your head.
So what?
Kieran, tell Brendan to put her in her jammies and bring her out.
Someone's at the door, dog.
Is scared? Someone come up on you?
I think it's thundering too. So
Oh, it
Yeah,
is.
big time.
As long as it doesn't, hit us with any lightning,
Then
we
we should
should
be
be
okay.
okay.
But I hear cells like near Indus. There's some hail cores going up now.
We might get hail here. If we do, inside,
Yeah.
because it could get nasty.
You know what we technically could do? We could move this and
At
have
least my car,
both.
the hood of my car.
I'm sad.
Sorry,
I'm
Rick.
sad. In high school, we never had really much of a
I know.
But you never had classes with
No,
me.
I was a couple years older than you.
I'm capturing this awesome thunder.
Yeah, just gonna give you a piece of
Ooh, Rosie, I get to see you? Nice. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Huh? Yeah.
I went to Globalvest a couple times this year.
Did you? How did you like
I
it?
got footage of the fireworks. It's up on my YouTube channel.
Oh, cool.
You guys should also go subscribe, boost my following.
What's the YouTube channel called?
Trains, buses, nature. Buses with 3 S's.
Got it.
Man, that's why I didn't want your dad to tell me who was, to tell you who was coming.
Yeah, no, he left it a surprise. That's awesome.
I just wouldn't get in the way sometimes so we could hang out.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's lightning.
Sorry, what's the name again?
trains, buses, nature.
Buses with 3 S's.
Train.
my dad and me, our van almost got struck by lightning a couple times.
No
when we-
way, really?
Yeah, and his van is totaled. We got stuck in a bad hailstorm.
That's brutal.
Blew our back window completely out.
Well, that would have been scary.
I was scared shitless, let me tell you. Man, this thunder is awesome.
Right? I don't like thunder. I don't like windstorms. Thunder I can deal with now, but windstorms?
But you know, imagine if I took control of the weather.
Yeah. Would it be sunny all the time?
I would have golf balls coming down right now.
We would get hurt.
No, but I make sure you guys inside.
Before you made it come
The
down.
wind is holy,
Right?
gusting to at least probably 50 kilometers.
It's strong, yeah.
So what's up? How is life, Jana?
It's good. It's been busy. I haven't rested in a very long time.
Remember we were supposed to hang out in February, but then Karen got sick, right?
Yeah. And then I had the baby.
She's the most adorable little...
Aw.
Oh, there she is.
She's coming up.
There's the munchkin.
Wearing on her head. Let's see what happens. Alright. 5-year-olds. I heard that's funny.
That'll be fun. Practice.
This storm is really going off.
Oh yeah.
I was up in Elnora this summer and I caught like at least 50 cloud to ground strikes with the storm
Really?
on film.
That's awesome. That's cool. I don't know. I wouldn't be out there chasing no storm.
Oh yeah, it's just like the last hailstorm.
Yeah, that's what he was saying.
That's why you don't want me to take control.
Yeah, of the weather.
I'm at 518. But I would make sure all the pretty ladies and you guys are inside.
Attaboy.
Oh, she's so...
What? Huh? Yeah, he's gonna regret it. Where did he go?
In the
You
car.
guys go get jackets.
Oh, we have some here.
Ethan, do you need a blanket?
No, I'm good. I've on this tent is doing me. I came in shorts today.
See?
It
Yeah.
was so
Bad
sunny
choice.
and pressing, and then last minute I was like, hey, Dad, can you come out?
Yeah, get out. It was like the same 15 degrees. Like okay.
Thunder and a lot of gusty winds right now. I'm reporting from Carsland. Oh my god, she's so adorable.
Thank you.
I saw the Big Girl Foods post, she was-
Right?
and she loved it.
She did. The peas all over her face.
I don't know where this is blowing in from, but oh,
From the west. It's coming from Calgary.
$10 to see Jeff running.
Along with Jake Haley.
Oh, they're out.
They're on their way, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, what a night to have a cookout. Mom told me that everybody was coming out and like, yeah, Dad's partying with the youngins tonight.
Yeah.
Not late.
I gotten drunk more than
She
a,
drive?
I gotten drunk more than a few
Have you?
times.
What's your go-to to drink?
3? Yeah,
Fruit
probably
drink.
half an hour.
I had 9 beers one night and they were 5.4% beers and I had like 7 drinks.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy. That's a lot. I don't think I could drink
I
7.
used to have vodka and orange juice,
Vodka and cranberry juice is good too.
but the hard liquor hits me too quick.
Oh, for sure.
She knows all about that.
Oh, does she ever?
Ooh, baby, big Kindle.
That was another strike. Oh, now.
This is ridiculous. I'm pissed. I wanted a nice sunny day.
No.
I was
knew it
dying
was
of heat
gonna
at the
rain.
market. I went to the market and sold some candles. How much was that? 2.
You have enough sunshine yourself, Kiana.
Yes, I do.
Oh, I can't believe she fell asleep during fireworks.
Right? Crazy? You're grumpy. You want a nap?
Yep. Put that off.
Man, intense thunder.
Yeah.
She's blowing in fast too.
She's gonna go for a nap because she's grumpy.
Bye bye. Say goodbye to your Uncle Ethan.
Oh, Jesus.
Nice. Alright, Peanut.
That's cool, Uncle Ethan. She does, yeah. Would you want to take this just in case you want to wrap her up inside the
Oh, this.
bottle? Okay. Yeah? Bye!
So what's up with you? Sorry, I'm recording the storm and trying. The lightning is going off like crazy.
No, nothing's new. I've been making candles. That's about it.
I've missed you so much.
No, it's been forever. Long, long time.
During COVID, I was actually crying for you some days because I wanted to see you so bad.
Aww. Yeah, COVID was bad.
Pardon?
And then where I work too, it's hard getting wet.
Here, I'll.
When you're along the street, it's going to stop. Go for it.
Someone said 6 o'clock.
Stay there.
That's why my coat's up a little.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. I stepped in a puddle.
What?
I think these are really soft.
Get your haircut?
Yeah.
Get a blanket if you want. They offered you. I was watching.
I did that last night at work because it was fucking hot as shit in the house. I was hot flashing like a po-po. So I'm like wearing a little fucking skirt and tank top to work and the air conditioning set at 16 degrees inside of the freaking bar. I'm like sitting there like,
What? Why the hell would they have it set?
it was so hot.
But did it work? Did it work?
Yeah, it got cold in there.
Eventually.
What's going on with you?
Hey, the number one rule in survival is not to get wet. And Jackson is soaked.
Yep, you lost, buddy.
Save it down so when I have it specific.
Are you sure you're not cold?
I'm making it, you know.
Do you want a blanket?
You want the blanket up right there?
I must well.
Oh, wet.
Someone said
It was hot.
I was 135 3 months ago.
I remember last time
Man,
I was
it's supposed to be. I'm glad I didn't decide to go to Heritage Park today.
Yeah, no kidding, hey? You would have got.
But I mean, it's gonna be like 20 and partly cloudy tomorrow.
Yeah,
Mind you, always keep your eyes in the sky.
yeah.
Because it almost happened, when was it? Wednesday it looked like it was gonna pour.
Yeah.
It's gonna start coming down here even more.
Why,
Love
you
it.
checking the radar?
Yep, it's saying 12 to 11 millimeters here.
Yay.
Yeah, so currently, it's like whatever that thing is.
My dad's hiding in the trailer.
You're really yo, you're yeah.
Oh,
So this is what we're.
I think it's best to leave now.
Well, that's right now.
Moving what way?
It's moving that way.
Right into us, basically.
Yeah. But I wanted to check to see what it was going to be like.
Do you
tomorrow.
think it's best to head out like now or like?
Well, it's not going to let up anytime soon. So it depends on your comfortability. It's calling for more.
I know, but Grandma wants to follow me home.
Well, it's saying let up at like 6. So,
And he's going to dinner though.
so if she wants, she can always follow us out.
Yeah. But how dark is it going to be?
It's not bright now anyway, so.
I want to wait to see if it'll lighten up because I don't really know if I want to drive in this.
We got time. Even if I'm back by 5, I can just
Okay.
leave and because the winds are too much right now.
Yeah. Yeah, and then you pass Sunny's on the way and you're like,
Oh yeah.
And I've been through
it was so
some.
much worse in my little car.
Oh yeah, it is cold.
That car sucked.
Brandon, you look cold over there.
Oh, it's okay. I'm okay right now.
Yeah, you look.
Should I just put my plate in there?
I don't know. There's a garbage there, I think.
My hands are gonna fall off.
Yeah. I don't know why we just like wait for somebody to pass over.
It probably went to his anyway.
Alright, I made this decision.
It's 3:20.
There's
Oh,
no.
that's not bad. Only 5 more hours.
It rains until past 10. It rains till 11 o'clock.
Oh, nice.
So there's no fire.
And what, 8 more hours?
Okay, let's do something else.
Okay, what can we do? Let's brainstorm ideas.
Well, Kenny and Kurt aren't home, or we can go to my house.
Play pool upstairs.
Yep, we can. Or we can play Wii.
It's like there's just no fireworks. It's not happening.
Alright, someone get the others over here. Was Deanna bringing time?
I don't know. I don't know if this is here.
She said she wasn't on the house.
My hands are gonna fall off. I need to get these hands warm. Yes, thank you.
Gets her own blanket for herself.
This is good nature, though. You said Willow woke up. Is she back to sleep now?
And you can put some of, if you want to put some of his relish on mine. Yeah, put some relish on. Jackson, do you need it? Jackson, you can put it on mine if you need. Or if you're good. Oh, just a little. Like,
You know what I might do when I leave? I might just sort of get her to take the car and park it here, so that way I'm not walking and getting drenched.
Oh. I'm soaking wet. I'm freezing cold.
And they say it's 20. There's no way in heck it's 20.
No, I can see my breath.
Oh
Oh my
yeah.
gosh. Oh, jeez.
That's when you know fall's coming.
Wish I wore a different clothes. Remember when I texted you and said, oh, I didn't know it was so hot out. I thought it would be. Yep. Oh! My plate. Eat.
Oh,
Thank you.
That'd be good food.
Yeah.
holy, I can like see my breath like a lot. Get ready for Snow White in a few months. Hey, Haley, get ready for Snow White in a few
Oh,
months.
yeah, totally.
Oh, gust of wind, there it is.
I think I need to. I can't really eat and roll at the same time. I got mustard on the iPad. Where? You'll get wet. It's getting so wet. It's getting so wet. And I dropped mustard on it, but I cleaned it. What's going on here? Ugh. You weren't lying to me. I'm serious. That's exactly what I meant. I can't eat them. Someone better take me home. We should have went bowling. Indoors.
That would have been more ideal.
If the weather's gonna stay crap, we can always change what we're doing.
They might have to change the finale to the 28th. That's what I would do. And the clouds are moving very fast, but the storms themselves aren't moving very fast. Hold up!
Do you mean it?
There it goes again, you're shit out of luck. I'll just have to name the thunderstorms with super strong winds.
I'm borderline crying. Not happy.
You know what, but I'm not surprised that over Calgary weather, right? See, now the wind's calmed down, whatever blew through. Watch I say that and it'll pick up again.
Yeah,
Where's
really.
the wood? Knock on the wood.
Yeah, so Haley, I've been keeping busy in life.
That's good.
during COVID, it was really hard. I felt like there was a dying feeling inside since you really couldn't do anything.
Totally. It was really hard.
I just had a few drinks at night just to calm my head down. I can't believe I'm capturing that. This will be up on the channel later. I have a YouTube.
Whoever wants an actual like cheeseburger, they're all ready.
Ethan, can I have your hat?
No, some of them will be
Can
ready
I
in a
have your
minute, but
hat? Get out of the element. I don't want to be with no hat. Can I have your hat? Anytime I'm waiting. All I want is
This guy's had a bunch of
yeah, the iPad.
It's so funny. Kate is researching
Man,
her-
it is like it's not 19 degrees anymore. They say it's 20. I call bullshit on that.
That's totally it.
Tanner, you want to know something? They say it's 20 right now. I'm calling BS on that.
My keys are in the stroller, eh?
She's awake, I think. Well, we'll see. She just moved a little.
She's like on her back.
We'll see. She looks sleepy now. She just was awake, but she's good now. She fell back.
I want to do that live.
Me too.
Hey, wait. I have all this stuff in my pocket here. That's 2 salads? No, that's 1. Oh, I'm like, oh, I know. It looks like a lot. Plates are right here. Can you help me?
Do you work at all? You working?
Yeah, I work with Haley and Julia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How is the job doing?
You're a problem. We'll bring him to the burger place. I got him, but hey.
You don't understand and hold though.
It's so weird. It's so weird. I'm like, no, she's talking to. Talking to her husband. I gotta remind myself.
Same name.
Gee.
Okay, there's ketchup salad right
Are
here.
you having a burger?
I'm going for supper at the Grey Eagle at 6.
Ooh, that's
Lucky dog.
awesome.
You having a burger?
I don't know. I'm back now in this weather.
Said no one never. Said no one never.
It's right.
There's like some long games out there.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was my idea.
I mean, I do it every time, but yeah.
Whatever. Okay, I can't tell if rules.
Oh,
Did you get that on video?
just.
It's nailed in, but
I don't want that to be working.
The winds are gusting so bad right now. These are almost hurricane force, I would say. Tropical storm force winds.
I hope not.
What a beautiful day for camping.
I was here at my apartment drinking. Yep. Playing Wii.
We can't be outside.
I'm really cold.
Go stand by the fire. That's
Get the blanket. Why should no one say no to the blanket?
I'll just stand with you when you want to go.
I think I'm just gonna wet all over at the moment. Yeah, just breaking it. Fine. Jack is
So you said in Calgary right now it's hailing, Haley?
Yeah, that's what it said on Facebook.
yeah.
I think we would be under a severe thunderstorm warning right now.
Probably. So glad we came all the way home.
Yeah, I changed
Funny to see this is the car.
Yeah, it's so funny.
These are the car.
I never seen like I've seen strong winds, but like they were just gusting before, but now they're like straight.
Remember the umbrella?
Yeah.
At Placa, we're all grabbing
Yeah.
it, like, instinctively everyone's grabbing
At
it.
Placa. That was so funny.
It flies off and hits the wake.
That was so
like,
funny.
like, oh, fuck.
I forgot about that.
Like dirt in the beers. There's like
Yeah.
sediment in the bottom of the beers.
They gave us
Everything is covered.
I'm gonna.
Anybody want to head out soon or?
I'm good to stay for a bit longer.
I don't care.
The wind's really kicking up now.
I like watching it.
Well, once the storm blows in, it cools everything off.
I'm down to go back. Go back to a house or something after.
What?
Because it's melted outside. It's fucking freezing.
I'm going inside. I'm staying there.
Yeah, once it was like.
Yeah, everybody's hovering around the fire now.
Well, it's warm in there. Like that's
Yeah,
it.
it's like barbecue. Go in there if you guys want. I should
Okay,
have
the
taken
boys,
out.
the boys are respectful. Hey, they did put the
Yeah, I know,
ladies.
right?
Taylor, isn't that something? The
That's why I
fucking
came over,
weather
so you
just
guys
decides
can
to
go.
just
Right?
not be it today.
Right.
And the thing is, it's the finale of the fireworks tonight, and
Right.
that's like the best one.
We were gonna watch. I don't know if they're gonna cancel them or what. We'll see.
And these storms are slow movers, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
and with this wind, with these high winds, there's no way in hell they're gonna happen.
We'll sleep at
Are we gonna get hail?
Dental.
I don't know.
In Calgary,
I'm
it's
gonna.
feeling bad. Yeah, I just saw on Facebook in Calgary it's feeling bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna go inside then. That one year, remember the hail that was out here? And we were under this gazebo, and it was so loud, like you.
Oh
like,
yeah, it's a tin roof right now. Yeah, metal.
Oh, it
metal.
was loud. Tight line weather, actually.
Strong winds right now. I'm recording it. Man, she's blowing in.
Yep.
Gale force winds here.
I would say they're up to at least, what would you say kilometer-wise?
Oh,
60 to 65?
I'm gonna look at that. The winds are 29 kilometers.
No, they feel more fierce than that.
They're not! I can, hey, if I have bears, I can bring fair wind.
Yeah, true.
Sounds like a fart threat.
Haley, what did you think when you saw me? It's like, I know
I
this.
was surprised. I didn't really recognize for a second because of your hair. It's so different. I like it.
I'm getting all the compliments from the ladies.
Yeah.
Your hair's shorter. Did you cut or?
Me? No.
Yeah.
It's just in my sweater.
Did you cut yours at all, I think?
I kind of kept it the same. It's longer than it used to be, though. When
So
you
your
see
boy,
me last, it was short.
your what you call it? She actually moved out today, right?
Girlfriend, yeah. No, she moved out last Saturday.
Yeah.
A week ago. Yeah. Me and Miss Haley work together, and Miss Julia. So
You said it like so many times.
Yeah.
You said it a couple times.
I miss the social part of high school a lot.
Totally.
I hope you don't mind. I'm recording this windstorm.
That's okay. That's great. What am I doing?
And the wind was kind of gusty earlier, but it was dusting. Now it's like going up.
That was kind of the hint.
Oh, by the way, we got a 11.
That was kind of the hint. They'll be done in a couple minutes.
Woo, woof.
Yeah. Great.